Hey guys, how's it going? How to set up Zelle. So open the banking app or website, log into your account, find Zelle, and then locate Zelle under the payments or transfers. Enroll, add your phone number or payment email address and verify it with the code sent to you, and then link the if required, link the account to your bank account. You are now set up and ready to use Zelle. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.